Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse the Google Play Store or Google Chrome on a Nokia X30. So first let's try downloading something from Google Play Store. Here I have Call of Duty and we can click on install, but the game won't actually download. It's in the pending mode, stuck forever. The similar problem is on the Google Chrome. Here, if we open any website, it says that our clock is behind, and to fix this we'll need to open our settings, navigate all the way down to the system, select it, go for date and time, and set time automatically. If you go back and try to install something from your Google Play Store, it should begin normally, and the same as with Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.